Welcome to Xpertdoc Smart Flows. In today's session, I'll be showing you how Smart Flows can automate your quote approval process. First, we'll start from a quote. In Smart Flow, we've made a rule where any quote over the amount of $50,000 would go through an approval process. The quote that we have is $65,000. Now let's generate our quote and let's see. I'm going to click on Smart Flows button. Going to be triggering our quote approval process. This will then go through the rule, and since the quote is over $50,000, a PDF version will be sent by email to a supervisor to view and decide to approve or decline the quote. Our flow will then pause until the quote is either approved or declined. Here is the email that was sent to the supervisor with the quote as an attachment. The supervisor can then open the quote and make sure it can be approved or not. This is the quote that was generated. So here it is. And now the next step is to click on the secure link that will open up Expertdoc Smart Form for approval. Then has the choice of approving or not approving the quote. If the quote is approved, then it will be sent through DocuSign along with a confirmation email to the user that generated the quote. The customer will then receive an email from DocuSign. So let's approve and we'll submit. This is the email that the customer will receive from DocuSign. All I need to do is click and review the document. Once the quote has been reviewed, next step is for the customer to sign and finish. The next step, our flow will then resume and continue with the next flow that we configured, which will be creating a note in Dynamics and storing, say, the signed document into a note. Here it is, completed. Now let's just go look in our Dynamics, look at the detail. And here's our approved signed quote. Voila, just did the approval process. Thank you.